What is Power BI? Imagine you've got a ton of data from different sources, sales numbers, website traffic, customer feedback, you name it. Now, Power BI is like a superhero tool that swoops in and helps you make sense of all that data. It's basically a business analytics tool by Microsoft that lets you turn raw data into beautiful, interactive visualizations and reports. Here's how it works. First, you connect Power BI to your data sources, like Excel spreadsheets, databases, or cloud services. Then, it pulls all that data together and lets you play with it like Lego blocks. You can slice it, dice it, and filter it to uncover trends, patterns, and insights. Once you've got your data all jazzed up, Power BI lets you create stunning dashboards and reports. Think of these as your data's fancy outfits. They make it look good and easy to understand. You can add charts, graphs, maps, and all sorts of cool visuals to tell your data's story. Power BI isn't just about pretty pictures, it's also super smart. It has features like AI-powered insights and natural language queries that help you dig deeper into your data without needing to be a data scientist. You can share your Power BI reports and dashboards with your team or clients so everyone can stay on the same page and make data-driven decisions together. So whether you're analyzing sales trends, tracking marketing campaigns, or monitoring customer satisfaction, Power BI is your trusty sidekick in the world of data analysis.